Hello, friends. How are you doing today? Listen, there is so much going on, but I've got several videos to do. But this is the first one that I've been working on for you all. You need to get yourselves a go bag or what they call bug out bag or whatever, um, in case of emergency, in case everything starts going south. You need to have things prepared to get out of Dodge if you have to. And in that go bag, you should have things such as dried fruit and vegetables, water, canned food, um, medication, clothing, um, and batteries, flashlights, battery operated radio. All of these things are necessary because with COVID and everything else going on in the world, a go bag is necessary. And young people can get a large backpack as a go bag, but you need something to be able to pick up and go if you have to. Older people can get a rolling suitcase to put something in and have it ready to go. I've had one now for some time, and I even have a battery operated lantern, water. I've got my dried vegetables and dried fruits, canned food. I've got plastic utensils and plastic bowls, soup, those kind of things. But you also have to have change of clothing, towels, um, first aid kit, flashlight, and I'm trying to think of what else. All of your important papers, you need to make copies of them and have them in the go bag, such as birth certificates and things such as that. And you can go to Wikipedia and I'll put the link in, but it's under Go Bag or Bug Out Bag. And Red Cross, they also have what you need to have in a go bag. But you need to be prepared, even if you don't have to go, if the grid gets messed up or gets attacked, and you've got all this frozen food or whatever, you need to have um, something stashed away, including cash, um, just in case something goes south. Um, this is something that some people have been doing for years, being prepared for this emergency. But this is something that we all need to have handy and available and ready to go at a moment's notice. Or if everything shuts down, we'll have food. But dried fruit and dried vegetables are the best. Plenty of water and things like tuna, spam, whatever, and soups. Try to get the packaged ones rather than the cans because they're not as heavy. And again, have a couple of $100 in your go bag, including coins and toilet paper, wipes, all of that sort of stuff. You need one for each member of the family. If you are a married family, the husband needs one, the wife needs one, and you need one for the children or babies. And as I said, for example, the Mormon church, they have um, a requirement that each family has a year's supply of food stashed away. So this is nothing new, but a lot of people take for granted the stores are going to be there. I think COVID has shown us that a lot of stuff will disappear. Um, you have to get it when you can get it and stock up on it. Um, Try to find you some Lysol spray and stock up on that. Things such as that, hydrogen peroxide. When you see it, get it. And I even got some of those little alcohol wipes in packages, just in case I can't find the regular Lysol wipes. So these are things that you need to put in your go bag. Also, soap, towels, and change of clothing for like 3 days, and toiletries, mouthwash. These are the things you need to put in your go bag, and you can get them in a smaller size or get some of the little plastic bottles that you use when you fly and label them and put those in your go bag from the larger bottle, and be prepared. That's what we have to do. We have to be prepared. We have to stay ready because we don't know what's going to happen. COVID has warned us and shown us just how dire straits we can be in if we're not prepared. Again, I'll put the link for the go bag, they call it bug out bag, in the link, and try to get started on that like right away. The first bag you need to pack is for your children and your medical supplies that you might need if you have to, as I say, get out of Dodge real quick. Okay, that's all, folks. Bye-bye.